Idol.
Isa, dalawa sa BRT, tapos dalawa sa loob.
Ha?
Ayun yung mga kasama sa match.
Masasa?
Okay.
First one,
Back.
or
Nice combo by Gogoy. With a set up side step. Boom. Oh, everything's guaranteed. Gogoy takes match number 1. So it's 1-0. It's race to 3.
Kain lang.
Okay. First muna natin sa dalawang VIP.
Okay na. First game, go guys.
One to ten. Okay, so ang first one na mga kasama sa atin. Ito muna yung
They're gonna choose
pinaka-pinaka
a wall
dalawa.
stage.
Kasi isa lang sa VIP, tapos yung isa pa sa kabilang side naman. Okay. Okay, so number 3,
Charlie choosing Anna and Ogre. This is his main character.
si Jesse
Full of crouching
Cafe.
mix-ups.
Nandito ka ba?
Let's see if he could win this match.
Sorry. Jesse ikaw yun? Ikaw, sorry.
Okay, nice counter hit by Charlie to the combo. Take it to the wall. Tag crash, early tag crash by Gogoy to the Phoenix. Nice combo. Oh, nice pick up. Oh, grab by Gogoy. That's guaranteed. But tag crash. Counter hit. Wall pressure. Na-taunt by Gogoy. Na launcher. Gogoy takes round 1. Gogoy trying to bait out Charlie, making those moves. Sides the Phoenix again. Gogoy is very good on baiting all those moves. That's punishable. That's Phoenix again by Gogoy. Oh, very evasive character, Shelly. Oh, 3 times straight. Phoenix stands. Nice mid by Charlie. Oh, Xiaoyu just too evasive for Charlie. 2-0. That's Phoenix again. I think Gogo is just trying to beat out Charlie, just waiting his moves. Set up by Gogo, side step again. Everything's guaranteed there. Oh my god, the damage. Just one combo. Oh, perfect here by Gogoy. Oh. Okay, 2-0. Score is 2-0 in favor of Gogoy. Charlie must make a comeback here. He's stuck with 0. So same stage. That's punishable. Good punish by Charlie. The combo. Wall carry by Ogre. Trying to ram. Oh, nice evade by Gogoy. Oh, nice crouching mix up by Charlie. It's a very good mix up. It could be a mid launcher or a low launcher. It's just 50-50. You gotta choose one. Charlie trying to adjust the gameplay of Gogoy by trying to be defensive. Oh, what a set up by Gogoy. Sure hit if you're gonna back roll. Nice. Up 4 by Charlie. 1-0. Nice trip again by Gogoy. Charlie trying to bait it out. Doing the waiting game. Nice low. Fly again. Oh, 2-0. Favor of Charlie.
Okay, so,
Pick up by Gogoy.
okay, so,
But Charlie flies his ogre. More rising 4-4. A punish by Gogoy. And tag out to Miharu. Wow, with a good launcher by Gogoy. Ogre trying to fly out, but still killed him.
Okay ba kayo?
1-2.
Okay ba kayo sa kaligayahan ng meeting?
Oh, nice interrupt by Gogoy.
May service ba tayo dyan? Ay, service kayo?
That's punishable. Double lows by the ogre. Okay, that was a very risky mix-up by Gogoy, but still combo. Launcher. Gogoy just dominating this round. Oh my god. 2-2. Match point for Gogoy. Oh, that's a sure hit there. Orleans make a comeback here. Nice evade by Xiao Yu. Na set up Oki. Charlie must make this. Trying to space out. Nice launcher by Anna. Take it to the wall. Nice low combo. Oh, but tag crashed. Oh my god, it's a very close match. Oh my god. Oh, 3-0. Gogoy won.
Alright, so Gogoy takes that very convincingly. And up next we have Chummy Bears versus Alexander Lin. And for some reason, my laptop
Di ko
secret.
marinig, dito sa left. Di ko alam kung anong side ko ba iba ba to eh. Dami pa naman neto, sayang naman. Dito, wait lang. Okay, sa left, may linya. Dito, sa gitna. May right side na, okay. Di ba naman muna natin sa gitna? 1, 2, 3, yes! Yes! Parang mahina. Okay, dito naman sa left side. Yes! Yes! Okay, last one. Ayun. Wait lang, DJ. Inaano muna natin. Hayaan mo natin silang kabahan. Okay, so right side. Yes! Wala, sa gitna talaga. Okay.
Okay, so the Gogoy moves on to the grand finals. We're going now to the losers bracket. We're going to see Sean versus 64 MD's Bully.
DJ, Kuya, isang minute. Okay. Iwalay-walay tayo ah. Yung, kung sino man yung maraming supporters na sisigaw mamaya after nila, siya ang mananalo makakuha ng t-shirt. Okay?
So we have button checks now going on.
T-shirt na. Okay.
64 MD Bully versus Chomi Bear. 64 MD Bully of course earlier got second place in the Ultra Street Fighter 4 tournament, so congratulations to him there. But he is now back in action. It's up man. No. Na-reset ni Alex. Pag-reset, Rufus, hindi man siya first game, second game. Nag-bailong siya sa reset. Alright, good luck, and here we go. We're going to begin losers semi-finals between 64 MB Bully and Sean Bears, 64 MB Bully. Player one side, player two side is Chongy Bears, the double jacks for Bully. Lay and Lars, interesting. Double jack. Alright, interesting. So let's go. Chongy Bears sporting his trademark lay. He is the lay of the city. Super Bully, the fighting game god. He's an all-around fighting game player. He's really good at Marvel, he's good at Tekken, he's good at Street Fighter 4, and ooh, he got this combo, double shotgun, double arm in the air, laser like he just don't care, and he got this again, wow, big damage, Lars on the edge, ooh, almost got this, but back in the lane, ooh, okay, nice, go slow this time, great drunken master's pulse, ooh, great timing on the tag out from Bully. Oh, he catches it, but ooh, he dropped the combo, which is very, I don't know, I don't see that often from Bully. But he takes the game, he takes the round anyway, and he catches him again. Ooh, another launcher. This time he finishes the combo with an extra wall damage. Yeah, pump that. Ooh, catches Lars as he enters. Wow. Okay. That is a very looking throw. Nice pickup, gets some extra damage, misses the stop. Lay comes back. And wow, a perfect from Bully. It's amazing how Bully can switch from playing Street Fighter to playing Tekken. He really adjusts on the fly. Okay, Chongy Bears answering back. Ooh, okay. Ow, that hurt. And he catches him again. You know what?
Okay, so,
Shout out to
kasi
Bully.
paunahan na lang ito sa stage. Kailangan din sabihin yung mga artist na kailangan para makabuo ng artista.
And Bully is the first band. I'm sorry.
Okay, so okay. Simula sa basic.
Round one. Fight. Round two. Fight.
Ooh. Parry's low.
O, paano po yung battle?
To the wall. Chongy Bears in the Lars, but Bully catches him.
Okay, tama na yun.
Nice combo. Ooh,
Okay.
interesting
Order
finish.
na lang. Okay.
Wow! He knew that. It's like he knew exactly what Trump was gonna do, and he like caught it before he did anything. Charge that machine gun arm, or that shotgun arm. Okay, that's double pull. Lay comes in. No pickup? No. Okay, he gets right to the extra damage. Wow, with a slide.
Item. Pakailangan ano? Para mabuo fight.
That's Bully.
Sige, try na!
Also, Bird is taking the second game.
Sige!
Ow, ow, ow! At the back of the head.
Okay daw. Sabi ko yung kasama.
Maybe he should add like extra damage to that.
Sige. Ano mga items na kailangan para mabubuo ng
Perfect timing of your active Bully. Guys out here. So
Kailangan
time.
basic. Tanong ko rin.
Beautiful. Punish. Punish the split the launcher. Gets the big combo. And Bully is one game away from eliminating Chongy Bears in 4th place. Ang t-shirt! Of course, big shout out to Topology.ph, Playbook, and 64MB for being the fighting game sponsors of this year. We hope to work with you again and again in the future as we try to elevate the fighting game scene. Ooh, wow!
Okay.
Got 6, almost taken out.
Dito ka lang, para masimulan niyo lalapit.
What was that? Okay, that's the first time I saw that. I don't really play like that.
Yung sinasabi ko yung 6%.
Oh, beautiful sidestep into
Grabe.
launcher.
Okay. Sasabihin mo lahat.
So Xiaomi trying to come back. Again, Barry's low. Beautiful Barry gets the wall. Extra damage. Pump it up. Wow. Oh, okay. This time, a little ill space. Rare throw. I rarely see Alex get thrown.
Batiin mo naman sila.
Oh, Chongy picks him up. Here comes Lars. In comes that play. Wall combo. Extra damage. Oh, okay. Tried to go for a setup. Maybe some EP punches. Ooh, low all the way.
Okay.
Okay, good block.
Okay, sige.
Nice block high this time.
Sabi lang yung proper cycle person. Ako ang decision.
Wow. There's the wall. Pump it, baby. Oh, he gets the body slam on both on both characters.
Ayun na magbasa nila. Win!
Good block. Oh, got the same in the air. Gets a nice combo.
Kaso pag may kulang ka sa'yo, may joke lang.
Again. Oh, what is that? Is it fun?
Try. O sige,
Pump.
walang
Pump again. No, 3 times, 4 times. Now he goes high.
Big po na nakasabi.
What a play here from Alex. He gets the wall. Pump. Oh, got to sit with the low shoulder. Oh, no perfect for Evelyn. Lay gonna regain much of that life. That's a lot of red life actually. Okay, gets a second throw. Here's Lay. Good damage. But here comes Jack. But he gets picked up by Lars on the wall. Not enough to kill. Ooh. He goes for the slide. Nicely done there from Chong, keeping him alive. However, throughout this whole event, no one has ever come back from a 2-0 deficit. So until Chong changes that, ooh, sit down power bomb. Until someone changes that, Chong might be. Chong did finish second place last year. He beat Bully, if I remember correctly, last year. So let's see if he can do it again. But in order to do that, he must pull off a classic. Good block from Alex. Ooh, hits him low, picks him up. No, too far to continue to that combo. Wow, Alex catches him, and this is going to be it for Chommy Bear. Chommy Bears has been eliminated. Charlie is now up. So Chong finishes in fourth place. Alex Lim goes on to losers finals. Congrats, Day. Support. Good job. Pili gani. Imo dyan tong adlaw. Kami ni Howard kay malas kayo. First match ni Howard Vero. Second si Alex. Alam kapili na ako si Vero. Pag loser si Alex.
Ako ang first, pag-away, Alex, kaya,
Mati yan.
at least, nakadawag isa. One to.
1-2. Kisa nakauna siya. Bale na kay chance na ma-fill this siya to. Sayang, mohta to. Smooth sailing na unta ba? Ari de, masugatan nimo si Don.
Ano ko, ang top first, fighter karon.
Wala na, nagidula ang grand finals ganina.
Round one. Fight. Ogre. Anna Williams. Jack 6. Miguel.
Alright, here we go. Losers, finals is up. Thank you so much to all the sponsors.
Okay na stage. Okay na sa stage.
Ambot pa.
Wala. May college stage. Yung final.
Oh, Mark wala. Oh, ang kanina, Sweet Fighter? Finals. Oh, okay.
Ang college stage yun.
Alright. Here we go. Whoa! I got up there. Sorry. Just Charlie. Yes, with a capital H. So here we go. Oh, he picks him up. Big combo. Tekken 6 combo. Here we go. Wow! Alex catches him. Okay, just a poke. Now he catches him. Gets some extra damage. In comes Miguel. Oh, amazing calculation of the frames, of the frame advantage after every hit, after every block. And he catches him with the Rising 2. Rising 2. Oh, sit down power bomb. Ouch. Shades of Batista. Nicely done. Oh, nice. Back one. Down back one. Oh, he catches him with a jump, a forward 4, but unable to finish. Oh, tries to go with a jump forward step kick. Nice. Big combos there from Charlie. Ooh. Okay, in the neutral. Alex looking for an opening, catches him high, goes low. Ooh, catches him with a crouch left. Crouch one, crouching one. Ooh, he interrupts him. Live rising 2. 13 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds. Charlie with a slight advantage. Nice. Is he gonna finish it? 6, 5 seconds. Oh, nice block. Whoa! What was that? Lagi. Oh, okay. Spinning. Gets the throw. Oh! Catches him. Was that Scorpion? Come here! Is this Mortal Kombat? Okay, good throw break. Wow, he just lunges forward. Oh, unable to pick him up. Oh, here's that dance again. Oh, he gets the throw. Bang. Oh, drop combo. What's that? Weird hurt box? Saan Xiao Yu? Xiao Yu, di ba go? This time, save ang timing. Save lang ang timing. Again! Come here! Some shenanigans being shown by Charlie, but of course Alex is going to remember that next time. Wow, both players just trading blows. Ooh, that could have been it. There you go! Randy approves. There you go. Finishes the combo this time. Nice finish. Big damage. Gets the extra stop. Wow, 50% life. But of course, Olga's gonna recover that. And he gets the throw again. Nice. Good block. Shut it below. Ooh, that hurt. Poking game. We're at this distance where pokes matter. Wow! What was that? Practice 10 hit combo. Ooh, catch it, Ogre. Oh, catches. Oh, no, no, no. Unable to get the bounce. Okay. Not that Wow, bully. With a very impressive show, but not too bad from Charlie either. He definitely hung in there with Bully, but Bully was able to come out on top. The score is 1-0. Bully 2 games away from grand finals. Bully, of course, is the weakness of many of the players. He just seems really unstoppable. Nice. Big damage. Whoa. Okay, good luck. Again, that's like the third throw I've seen. Alex Bully not being on point with his throw breaks. Here we go, some nice damage here from Ogre and Nana. Wow, got 6. On the verge, nice patience here from Alex. Waiting for the appropriate time to tag out, not really rushing. But then he eats another combo. Okay, Rising 4. Rising 4. Rising 4. Ito patid. Ah? Ah. Ooh, he gets him with the jumping axe handle. Kalapatid. Ah, good luck from Alex. Wow, she launches him something. Here comes another combo. What was that? Oh, he gets the charge. The shoulder tackle. Nice side step, dodging the low back. Down back 4. Good luck. There you go, Rising 4. Kuha kang ano? Vero. Vero, Vero. Vero, Vero. Ha? Naman siya, Marshall. Oh, wow. Oh my god. What's someone in DOA? Alright, the game is tied 1 each. Here we go. Wow! What was Okay, I haven't seen that before. That's out. What? Oh no, he misses. Down back 4-1. Ooh, he catches him in the air, trying to do a forward 4. Well, again, that's the second time he's got the up forward 4. Okay, nice poke. Goes low. Good luck high. Oh, goes low again. Picks him up. Nice feedback. Gets the stop. Ooh, rising to big damage, big combo. Does it just with jab. Very nice patience here from Charlie. Oh, just spewing fire all over him. See him grovel in pain. His circuits burning. His synthetic skin melting off. Nice, right. Oh no, he dropped it. What a missed opportunity right there. That could have been really big damage. Here comes Miguel. Here comes Anna. Nice. Oh, there you go. Finally gets a rising 4. Bam. Wants to finish. Down forward 4-1-1. 4-4-1. Nice. Wow. Poking game is really on point here for Charlie, but defense is also on point. Gets the throw. Oh, very nice tag out. Okay, nice patience there from Charlie. Good patience from Alex as well. Oh, nothing on the jump. Empty jump. Is this Street Fighter? Nice. Back four. Oh, oh, he gets a throw. Oh no, throw escape. Oh, he catches Jack all the way in. There's going to be a lot of damage. Okay. Oh, he catches Miguel again. Ah, a little impatience there from Bully. Can Charlie eliminate Bully? Oh, well, he's still going to go up to one if he wins one more round. Nice block there. Ooh. Okay, good luck from Alex. Catches him. Will he finish the combo this time? Oh, he gets the combo. Oh, tries to catch him rising. Now he catches him with the rising two. Again, this is going to be a perfect. Yes, it is a perfect. Nicely done there by Alex. Oh, good luck. Low. Again, no pickup. No, just gets an extra hit there. Oh, very good. Wow. Yo, ano eh. Okay. Oh, nice. Gets him the charge. Not charge, but shoulder back. Oh, interrupts with the crouch kick. One, three. Yeah, raise a three, raise a three. Oh, okay. Not sure what that was. Nice. Wow. Charlie up 2-1. The ball is round. The ball is round, ladies and gentlemen. Charlie up 2 games. And Alex, desperation time for Alex. He's about to be eliminated. Wow, nice combo. Deals something damage to Jack. Nice tag out. Just in time, tag crash. Oh, there you go. Rising 4-4. Rising 2-2. Big combos. Alex just gets up. Oh, nice back tag to escape the axe handles. Nice combos. Oh, he gets him with a shoulder tackle and catches him getting up. Alex takes the first game. This is good momentum for him. Ooh. Full king game. Oh, nice. Catches Miguel. There you go. Rising 2-2, 1-2. Back. Alright. Finishes it old school style. Nice side step up the up forward 4. Gets a nice combo. Catches him rising again with a down forward 1. Oh, nice up forward 4. Oh no, what was that? He escaped. Nicely done. Oh, the loot. What's it tawag na? Papogi style. Low. Low. There's the low. Alex one round away from tying things up 2-2. Oh, ouch. Good duck. Okay, nice blocks. Ooh. Oh no, unable to punish that. He had a lot of frame to punish. Nice. Oh, sidestep upward 4. Miguel combos. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he gets the final hit though. Tried to go for a parry. Nice. Oh, good block low. Picks him up. Here comes Ogre. Okay, nice. Charlie this time pulling back. Oh, he catches him, picks him up again. Oh my goodness, Charlie. Wanting a comeback, and again he picks him up. Wow, that's like 3 combos in a row. Nice side roll. Wow! Ooh, he catches him floating. Gets a nice combo. Nice patience from Charlie, avoiding the extra hit. Ooh, a throw. Goes him away. In comes Anna. Ouch. Okay, gets him low. Good luck again. I think Charlie's like 0 for 6 with that move in the neutral situation. Oh, Rising 2 catches Anna. Big combo. Alex on the verge of dying. He only needs maybe one more hit. Oh, he gets him low. Nice. Alex gets the. Oh, oh, he went under. What happened? Okay, but Alex with a really great life lead. Bully. Alex bully. Oh, good block. No punish. What? Safe to. Ano, Ana? Safe to. Down back one. Down forward one. Okay. Down back. One. One. Down back one. Down back. Oh my god. 8 seconds left on the clock. Charlie has a lead. Oh, Alex just gets the hit that he needs and he takes it. Nicely done. Style 2-2, 2-2. It's 2-2, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, here we go. Game number 5 of the losers finals. Winner goes on to face Gogoy. Gogoy giving some coaching to Charlie. Ooh, nice. Get some big damage. Ooh, double jump. Okay. Interesting tricks. Alright. Ooh, now he catches him low, picks him up for some big damage. This is a great start for Charlie. He wants to beat Bully. Oh, gets him with a shoulder tackle again. Nice block. Good block. Oh, rising. Gets the combo. Picks. Oh, no. That would have been a nice opportunity, but. Oh, tricky, tricky. I smell tricky. Charlie takes the first round of game number 5. Very crucial, very important final game. Winner goes to face Gogoy. This is a good start for Alex. Gets him. Oh, wow. There's the teleport. Picks him up. Bang. Ooh. Drops the combo. Oh. Ooh. Catches him. Nice. Interrupt to the standing one. Gets him low. Sidestep. Oh, up forward for. Oh, again. Kaduhan na na. That's the second time. Ah, float merg. So we should have done like done forward one. Ano na siguro no? That's like the second drop. Kaduhan na na. Kaduhan na na. And Charlie on match point. Can Alex win 3 straight rounds? Charlie has shown he's been hanging well with Alex. Been dominating him for most of this match. Despite that Alex fundamental scheme. Oh, finally he gets the hit. Very big hit from Charlie. And Bully is on the verge. One mistake could. Oh, he catches him with a combo. He's still going to be alive though. No wall. What's he going to do? Okay. Good luck. Oh, he gets it. Blocks low. Can he? Oh, he can't. Okay. This is a good start for Alex if he wants to make this comeback. Oh, a little too late. Oh, catches him low. Is this it? Yes, and Charlie eliminates Bully. 3-2. Charlie goes on to face Gogoy. Mo-ask ko ha, if na ay chance. Ready? Yeah, ready. Pakiapon. Best of five. Wait, what twice to be? Alright, here we go. Grand finals of Tekken Tag Tournament 2. Gogo, of course, coming from winner's bracket. Charlie coming back. Game, game. Button check, okay. Button check. So this is your grand finals, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for those who are watching. Thank you for joining us. All right. Sounds like both players are going into button check. Of course, while we're here, we'd like to thank all the sponsors: Sun Cellular, PLDT Home Racer, Fine Upgrades, HyperX. Thank you, HyperX, for the headset. WSVG powered by G2A. And of course, the fighting game sponsor 64MB Cafe, Playbook, Video Game Lounge, and Bookshop, Bookstore, Bookshop, and of course, Topology.ph. And looks like both players have given me the go signal. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Grand finals. Winner side is Gogoy. All right. Grand finals! Woo! And here we go. Gogoy versus Charlie. Winner's bracket is Gogoy. Loser's bracket is Charlie. Charlie has to win twice. He has to beat Gogoy 2 times in order to win. And we set the bracket and go for the win. Here we go. Ooh, nice. Wow, he catches Xiaoyu before she could do anything. Nice. Up forward 4. Big damage. Do you see a wall? Yes, no extra wall damage. Here comes Miharu. Ooh. Nice. Catches him up there. Gets a throw. Launcher. Big combo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. 1, 2, 3. Wall. 1. Oh, wow. Immediate tag crash. Charlie gets Roger Jr. out of there. Nice. Goes low. Picks him up. Oh, wow. That was a read, people. That was a read from Gogo. He knew exactly what Charlie wanted to do. Ooh. Catches him. Running. Jump kick. So Gogo takes the first round. Gogo dominated Charlie in the winners finals earlier. But Charlie just took out Alex Bully. So the momentum is definitely on his side. But then again, Gogoy had the chance to watch his opponent, see his habits, see what he likes to do. Wow! Okay, create space for Ogre to come in. Oh, nice! Again! Gogoy is such a fighting game genius right here. We are seeing a beautiful game from Gogoy. Nice, he catches him. Wow! Oh, Charlie just guessing wrong. Gogoy making all the right decisions in this fight. Okay. Good luck. Oh, he catches him floating, but not enough to convert for any big damage. Gets some nice damage. Oh, picks him up. Sidestep, I think. Alright. Gogoy responds with his own combo. Wow! Ducks under and rises with the kicks. Again, oh my god, that's like the third time in this match that Gogoy has predicted that from Ogre. Okay, good blocks there from Charlie. Wow! Sit down or lie down. Lay down, Charlie. Nice pick up into the combo. Wall damage one. Oh, okay. Tank crashes out of there. Ah! Ducks again and rises with the kicks. So tricky, Gogoy. So tricksy. And just like that, Gogoy takes the first game and Charlie says, let's get back into this. What happened? I don't know.
Pero ngayon, salamat natin mga kaibigan si
Here we go, game number 2. Switches over to Anna. Okay, I thought Charlie just was standing there quite regular. Here we go. Let's see if this Anna will. So far, the pick not showing any. Wow! Oh! Wow! Beautiful combo there. First time I've seen that actually. I don't really watch a lot of Tekken. So I'm seeing but we're seeing really high level Tekken action right there from Cebu Gogoy. Arguably one of the best in the Philippines. Shout outs to AK and Andre. Oh my god. Nice. Good block there from Charlie. Gets a couple of hits and ooh! Wow. Charlie was crouching. And of course, they had just announced the arrival of Miss Alodia. She is in the building. She is in the SM City Trade Hall. So if you guys are not here, come on over. Oh, nice. Ooh! Gogoy taking 2 straight rounds. Oh, wow. I had no idea what was happening right there. But Gogoy knew that Ogre had tagged in, so he performed that like jump, that like acrobatic jumping backwards thing attack from Charlie. I don't know what that one's called. Oh, beautiful whiff punish from Gogoy. Okay. Oh, he catches Ogre as he comes into Ogre with the fly. My God. Gogoy 1 game away from winning.
Para dito sa side ng execution. Dito naman sa side ng archive.
This is going to be a very quick grand final. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you to our wonderful sponsors. The fighting game tournaments are about to come to an end. This is the final game. Street Fighter was concluded earlier. Now it's the grand final for Tekken. And we're seeing just a beautiful showing here from Gogo. So here we go. What could be the final game? Ha? Audio cable? Wala. Wala. Ang ihatag diya balik. Oh, okay. He's going with Alex this time. He took Roger out. This is Alex and Roger. Oh, wow. Wow, he goes low all the way. That was like 4 or 5 times going low. So this is a good start for Charlie if he wants to pull up a classic. Ooh. But pulling off a classic with Gogoy is just going to be an absolute miracle. Oh, he gets it. Wow. Not giving Shayu a chance to leave the building. I didn't expect Gogoy to get hit by that.
Number 5, in terms of network, sa pagdating sa mga board, Luna is number 4. Ayan.
All
So,
right.
hindi na tayo nagkakaroon.
Okay, catches him with the launcher.
Bottom lane lang ng natin.
Big damage. Okay, Miharu gets in.
Yan, so please, I can be
Oh, stops it with the with the light with the left one catches him with standing. Sorry. Oh, almost catches Roger as he comes in. Ouch! He picks him up. Here comes a combo. Oh! Whoa! 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 Nice stop. Go slow. Ooh! Sidestep, misses, and Charlie finally takes his first game. Gogoy needs to adjust.
Grabe naman, bro! Tatapto! Grabbing Brood Mother and another 3-4-1 trade going in favor of Organis. That's when we got that situation. In the momentum, Organis coming up with one of the biggest trades para dito sa tournament natin ito. That hook shot though, coming in from that clockwork right hooker, di ba? So we were having
Get
the
ready for the
next
next battle.
yun. At nakapatayo pa rito. Tingnan natin ang
Here we go.
kaibigan.
Gogoy
Dahil
has to
patay ang
adjust.
Of course, we're seeing Mineski for execration. I know, I'm not sure who's playing.
But anyway, here we go.
Arcanist playing in the background.
Nice. Wow, Gogoy responding really quickly. Are we gonna see a perfect? Oh, nice. He catches Roger as he comes in. Oh, sorry, Alex, I mean. Oh my god! Go slow! Oh, nicely done there from Charlie. A first a perfect moral victory, but I think he can do this. Nice patience there by Gogoy, not getting up. And he takes the first round. Oh, nice. Catches him with his tail. Kangaroo's tails, very deadly. Watch out for that. Nice combo. Oh, good block. Good punish. Launches him. Oh no, he drops the combo. What a missed opportunity right there. Wow. Ooh, nice sidestep. Nice low. Gets the throw. Launcher. Ooh, fancy. That was fancy. Gogoy on match point. Oh, okay. Doing a double somersault. He catches him with a somewhat Mexican Hurricane Rana type attack. Oh my god. Gogoy. Nice. Picks him up. Oh no, he dropped it. But that doesn't matter. Here we go. Stage transition. Oh, not transition. Like stage break. Okay, good luck. Oh, he catches him trying to go low. Gets him with a high. Nice. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to Gogoy. Gogoy is your Tekken Tag 2 champion. Good job, good job.
Ang ganda ng item na nakuha ng Clockwork dito, allowing him to engage. Kasi nagkabito, especially pagdating sa mga extended team fights.
Alright, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us. That was the fighting games. Thank you to everyone who joined. Thank you to everyone who supported. Thank you to the players. Thank you to the people who contributed. Oh, that is not my name. My name is GV Dr. Jimmy. Thank you to everyone who joined, to the people, to the sponsors, to Playbook, to 64MB, to Topology, to all the players, to the community, fighting game community. Thank you so much, Gogoy, Alexander Lim, everyone for coming out. For fighting games, this has been your friend and neighbor GV Dr. Jimmy signing off for Esports Festival 2015. I will see you next year. And until then, have a great day. Bye bye.